So hey there, this is my new project. It's a GraphRAG system with a vector database. So for similarity search, which mostly the most part of it. And the second part is a knowledge graph, which builds the relationships between the entities. And the base, so like the standard pipeline is built around about a haystack. So the loading, splitting, embedding, and everything is about haystack, and then the GraphRAG system is like built on top of it. And I will show you like a little demo flow. So it's here, it's written in German because I'm from Germany, but it's called here like loading the PDFs. So if we go here, we can see here a few PDFs to test that I put in here. Just put a few of them. So we can just put everything from them in. And we can see here that they were getting into the pipeline. So the first step here is like the parsing. So the PDF is read page by page and the headings are detected and it got parsed through. Here you can see the entities load. It's mostly about the graph database. And after like the parsing, it's the splitting. So the text, it's split into different chunks, and these chunks are getting embedded into the vector database. Yeah, and after that, like there's an extraction. So the LLM reads each chunks and is extract the relationships from them, which you can see here. And that's like the main project. So we can here put in questions if it's loading correctly. I can show it to you here. But what's interesting is that just from my own curiosity, I'm putting in the graph database here. So you can see like the different graph elements that's worst in the PDFs. I think that's cool to see, but that's not a functional advantage that it's in here. It's just yeah, because I was interested in it. But here the main functionality is in the chat feature. So you can put in here questions like, for example, what is prompt engineering? And then this is calling a new, also the DeepSeek V4 Bro API, and it's basing the answer on that. And here you can like see that these different sentences are from different parts of the PDF. And if we go on there here, it's like clickable. We can see the part where it's taken it from. So we see that everything on this whole paragraph is like from the introduction of the prompt engineering. And if we like put in here something like, yeah, I know that the prompt engineering PDF had like a conclusion. Now I put like the German word for conclusion because it's multilingual. So we can see here in German and in English. I can put in like which basically mean what is the conclusion, and then it should load like the answer and also show it in the text. And then if we go on here, you can see perfectly it's highlighting the conclusion, which is the most important thing. So I put in here two DeepSeek models. So the first, the DeepSeek V4 Pro, is like to answer the questions, and then the V4 Flash is like to the entity and extraction for the knowledge graph. So I put this architectural decision there because like the entity extraction is like a simple process, but we need to do a high volume of that. So the speed and the cost matters more here, and for the And the part here, it's more important to do it like this for 40 questions. So it's the quality is needs to be higher there. So that's like basically the whole system. Thanks for watching it. Just some honest trade-offs about the system, that the quality depends very much on the extraction models and the models to use for the system, and also that like the knowledge graph part of it takes adds latency to the product without putting in a benefit at pure lookup questions. So that's what you can keep in mind for that. So thank you very much for watching.